We're still at the American Airlines Center, and we're going to go to kind of the retail front portion of it. So where we were at was right over there, and then we just walked down the street, and I just wanted you to see what it looks like. As you can see, there's a big event going on, and it's a Formula One racing kind of event. But to really get a feel of what this is like, you really need to see all of this too. So look at this venue, all sorts of people. There's a huge lane, and this is Nowitzki Lane, of course. So you've got these kind of events happening frequently here. So this is a fun area to enjoy. We're actually going to walk up here and see more of what's going on inside here. So you can see this is pretty cool. There's huge jumbotrons. There's places to eat. And there's the actual center over there. There's retail on the first floor and offices over here. A little more busy because we have this event, but I love it. So you can come and enjoy some great things here and check this out. So this is the plaza area, and then of course that's where you would go in if we had an event going on inside. So it's a great feature of Uptown to really just kind of walk around and enjoy this. I'm going to swing back here just so you can see a little bit more of these things over here. So this is the sports store, the hangar, Stars and Mavericks gear. It's going to be there. NV Gaming is over there. And of course ABC is over here too. They broadcast from here, their Victory Park studio. And then here's this is an incredible vibe here today. Hope you're loving it, enjoying it. So if you lived in the Victory Park area, you'd be seeing these kind of things regularly. So if you enjoy a lot of silence, this probably, there's other areas that would be better. But if you really want to get into the social parts of downtown, Uptown, and Victory Park, this is it. You'd be living here. This is great to live in. All right, this is Grant from Uptown 101. Make sure to watch other videos we have of attractions in the area. And then, of course, apartments. We have a free apartment service where we find your perfect apartment. And make sure to go to our website, check us out. We'll help you get started and find that apartment for you. Y'all have a great day.